Meal prep weight loss. She lost over 100 pounds by meal prepping. Redcliffe's Australia resident Victoria Bowen loves chocolate bars. It has always been her comfort food ever since she became a mother. Over the years, her wardrobe went through many stages of evolution, moving up 6 dress sizes, and according to her, she just couldn't help but obey her sweet tooth. Victoria was voluptuous even before she became a mom. But the reason why her weight piled up is because of the many excuses she could make. When she became pregnant, she thought to herself that she's allowed to eat for 2. When she's stressed after a long day of taking care of the kids, she would treat herself with takeouts that satisfy her cravings, which are notoriously high in calories. She has 2 kids now, and finishing off a chocolate bar every evening makes her day complete. This has been her lifestyle until she reached her record weight of 265 pounds. This not only made it more difficult to look for clothes that suit her tastes, it also reduced her self-esteem greatly. She tried to brush it off and continued doing what she does every day. They would go out every weekend to do some recreational activities. The day came when Victoria realized that she's not able to keep up with her kids like she used to. Even though her kids are growing up fast, she knew that one way or another, she will have to make changes with her lifestyle so she could get a little more strength to bond with them as they grow up. Her kids Brody and Rylan are only 9 and 8 respectively. They only get to play with their dad Shannon on their weekend getaways. Victoria would sit on the picnic rug because it's hard for her to move around, and this only made her mindlessly snack more. She was afraid she's missing out so much in life. She wants to be able to get up from the ground by herself and be as physically active as her family. And that's when she said to herself, "Okay, Victoria, enough is enough." She then decided to take it slow, little by little reintroducing whole foods into her diet. Her determination to slim down was unstoppable, and she started her weight loss journey the very next morning, which was a Monday. She planned it carefully. She decided to make meal preps every Sunday, keeping it within a $40 budget for the entire week. She swapped fast food takeouts with healthy carbohydrates, nutritious protein, and fresh vegetables. With all of her willpower, she also ditched the daily diet of chocolate bars. Victoria also swiped fried foods with oven-baked foods. Her clean eating habits paved the way for a glow in herself she hasn't seen for years and a boost in her energy, which she was able to use to better herself further by staying active. Her journey wasn't obscure though. She documented her weight loss online, where she gained many followers and has coached many of her followers in losing weight effectively. Now, Victoria's dropped 104 pounds and she can wear her old dresses, which is a very satisfying reward for all that hard work. She looks stunning at 160 pounds and a size 10 frame. Her mood and self-esteem also improved thanks to the quality of health that weight loss brings. Victoria then revealed the weight loss secrets that worked on her. She said that planning her weekly meals and snacks every Sunday allowed her to be mindful of the ingredients and amount of calories she's consuming. Once she was able to maintain her weekly caloric goal, as well as carbohydrate, protein, and fat needs, her fat-burning process kicked in and she was unstoppable at that point. Victoria said that it was a lifestyle change and it was her personal choice, something she loved for herself without forcing. She dedicated her energy to it. It was a process she trusted, which wasn't easy, but it was worth the effort. With meal prepping, you start to become mindful of the nutrients you take in, something you cannot do with fast food. You can cook meals using fresh ingredients and make them taste just the way you want them. Plus, with meal prepping, there are so many options. Brunches, in-between meals, snacks, appetizers, you name it. It saves you money and time because you can do it every Sunday night or any day of the week that you prefer. When asked about her favorite meals, she said overnight protein oats, which are good because they can last for a week in the fridge. I also love taco mince, chicken, beef, turkey, and vegetables. Before she tried losing weight, her breakfast consisted of coffee and a muesli bar or other chocolate snacks. She drinks soda with her meals that aren't portion controlled. Desserts are never missing from the menu too. Victoria's lifestyle took a complete 180-degree turn and she's never been happier than how she is today. And countless studies back this up. When you eat well and live well, you'll be in a better mood. Nobody said that weight loss is easy. One thing you can do in addition to eating right and being more active is to wake up your metabolism. Many ingredients that we use in our meals have nutrients that help burn fat. For instance, there is a Japanese breakfast drink that aids rapid weight loss. It's not surprising that the Japanese people stay slim and young even after their 40s. One American woman tried the drink that woke her metabolism up. She has a very similar story as Victoria has, and she knew she needed to do something as her weight made her miss out a lot in life. After she started drinking the breakfast drink, she lost 54 pounds in just 7 weeks. Click the link in the description box to know more about the Japanese breakfast drink that helped her lose weight. You'll be doing your body a favor. There we have it, a success story of someone determined to shed the pounds and live better. Did you love today's video? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated each time we post a new video. Thank you for watching!